Circular economy is an attitude, respectively a way of doing things different than it was done until now, that must be pushed and guided from somehow above, making people and companies follow that approach. Consequently, implementing a sustainable and working circular economy requires a trustworthy management of that change, and leaders whom societies, companies, and individuals are willing to follow. The demands of the digital era require leaders to place greater emphasis on behaviours such as adaptability, uniting people around a shared purpose, and creating a culture of empowerment and experimentation. Leaders also need to develop competence in using technology to foster relationships and make data-driven decisions. For example, a Cisco survey of 1,000 UK business leaders showed that leaders are now beginning to realise that their way their organisation functions must now take into account the wider impacts on society in response to demands from employees and consumers. As the presence of technology in the workplace increases, it seems ever more likely that human qualities such as emotional intelligence, intuition, and collaboration will become vital ingredients in creating a successful and thriving organisation. Traditionally, leaders have used technology to cut costs, streamline processes, improve products, and develop new business models. But artificial intelligence and automation pose major new challenges for leaders as they reset their strategies for the digital age. At the same time, executive teams are now expected to take positions on social and environmental issues and ensure that their organisations have a purpose beyond simply making money. Also, experimentation takes an important role into effective leadership. For teams, experimentation builds a close bond and momentum where, for creative leaders, experimentation helps to risk reverse the big decisions. It allows to break down the big risk into smaller rocks in the form of experimentation to validate early design concepts and decide how to allocate the team's resources. However, managing a team to success requires more than just simply appointing tasks to people. A crucial role in cultivating business growth, being in charge of a team management, requires a fusion of interpersonal, technical, and of course, organisational skills.